In version 6.4 of Vault, you're now able to control the sensitivity to the zoom when you're using a PTZ camera. This is set for each individual user, so going into their user profile allows them to set it to less sensitive or more sensitive. Let's take a look at this by going into Settings, Users and Groups, go to the user that we'd like to edit this for. And then we'll scroll down into the Advanced Settings, and we'll find Zoom Step. Zoom Step at its lowest is 100, at its highest is 2500, and by default you'll find it at 500. So if you'd like to, when you scroll your mouse wheel, have it move just a little bit, you'll lower it under 500. And if you want it to be real sensitive and take a big step every time you scroll the mouse wheel, you'll bring it closer to 2500. Let's bring it down to 100 at the low end and take a look at what this looks like. So now I'm going to go into Observe, select the room that has a PTZ camera, and let's make this full screen. Grab the PTZ control, and when I zoom in, you'll notice it doesn't move too much. When I zoom back out, very similar. So depending on the cameras that you use, what you need to zoom in on, what your use case is, you might want to have it a little bit less sensitive. Let's go back one more time into the settings and change this to 2500. Now we have it saved at the highest end. We'll go back into Observe, select our room with the PTZ camera. And now when we zoom in, you see it takes a much bigger jump. Again, by default, it's going to be at 500, which is what you're used to. But if you want to be able to jump more for each individual mouse scroll or a little bit less, you can change that between 100 and 2500.